It was a routine traffic stop until they checked the trunk.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lanes a couple times. You're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
I ain't mean to do that.
Okay. And then, like, when you turned that corner, like, you almost clipped me because you came into, like, my lane.
I saw you.
Yeah. Do you have a driver's license, proof of insurance?
Nah, I don't get it. I live up the street. My insurance and all that shit. It's in my other bag. I live up the street, though. Every police officer out know me.
Okay.
I don't get my registration. I got my insurance though.
Okay. You have your insurance?
Yeah, I ain't from out here. You see, I'm using my map as I'm going on.
Okay.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch.
Okay, I got you.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch or whatever.
Where are you from?
Chicago. I've been down here like 5-6 months.
Would you mind just rolling this back window? Your tint's just so dark, I can't see it.
That motherfucker dark as hell.
Yeah.
So what I got to arrest down for you for?
I just want to make sure there's no one in the back
Yeah,
seat.
ain't nobody back there.
No big deal. Okay. You said you don't have your driver's license on you?
Nah, I got him though. I'm valid though.
What's your first name?
Randy. R-A-N-D. Well, I'm trying to find this shit for you, man. I got you. 1 second.
All right, Mr. Can you step out for me?
For what?
We're gonna have a conversation out here about the open container.
For what?
Okay, because there's an open container in your car. Okay, so I'm telling you to step out. All right, we'll pat you down, make sure you have no weapons.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay.
That's cool. All right,
What's this in your pocket?
I don't know. Let me see.
Can I reach in there and grab it?
Let me see first.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna let you reach in there. Keep your hands up, man. Is it just the keys? I can't tell what it
Probably
is. It's a hard object.
It's probably some keys.
Okay, can I just pull it in and make sure that
Hey, go do your
keys,
thing.
but there's no knives or anything like that?
No problem.
That's a nice whip, man.
You want to drive it? Drive it.
We're fast. All right, hey, so since there's an open container, it's gonna give me probable cause to search your car for other open containers.
You do your thing.
Okay.
I don't know about that car. Hey, could I put my shit in my pocket without y'all?
Yep, you're good.
It's peaceful. Hey, don't do that, man. How you do that?
What?
How you do that?
What do you mean? How did I pop it?
Shit. I've been out here like 9 months.
That's kind of a cool pop, though. I'm not gonna lie.
I've been out here like 9 months. It is peaceful. It is. Take my time.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Million times, man.
For what?
Probably weed, goofy ass, miscellaneous ass, shit like that.
Do you have a FOID card?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Tell you what, right now I'm just gonna detain you.
For what?
The gun in the back. Okay.
No gun now.
There is. Okay, we'll figure all of it out here in a second, okay? End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss, man.
Okay, I just gotta figure everything out. We'll talk about some stuff, okay?
Let's
Go on, put your hands behind your back. Stop. Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude.
I'm not gonna run on
You just tried to!
Stop. All right, let me up, man.
No!
I'm done. All right, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
I'm fine, bro.
There's a gun in the back. You tried running.
Stop.
Why'd you try to run, dude? That's just dumb. Check. There's something in the pants pocket. We can send them up first.
There's a 20 or something over there. All right, taking my shoes off? You want to take them off?
We're okay right now. I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
Alright.
Felonies?
Nothing in there. This feels like it's loaded. Can you grab me another bat? Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We might have just hit the jackpot, baby. Ooh.
Something back there.
Oh, wow. That's a ton of coke.
I'm gonna wait
You guys, there's so much, you can smell the coke, it's that strong.
He's also drunk and probably high on at least weed, but I mean, dude has at least a half a pound of coke and like a couple hundred rounds of ammunition, a drum. There's a Glock gun case, but no Glock.
He was messing around back there a lot. Back at the squad? Yeah.
Y'all put this seatbelt on me for me, huh?
You got to, man.
That's goofy. That's why I shouldn't even been cool with y'all ass, man.
You gonna step out for me, boss?
Where's his handcuffs up front?
Why'd you move your handcuffs up front?
Where's your pants undone?
Oh, stop.
Don't do it!
Man, what the f you gonna do, man?
What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? Being cool with you.
Nah, you want to be cool me s***.
We're having a nice conversation after the pool.
You done?
No.
I'll show the f up. You done? Stop pushing me, man.
Randy, just have a seat, bud.
Alright, stop pushing me, man, bro. Don't ever push me, bro.
Just have a seat, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
Just have a seat.
Can you please have a seat for us?
I will, sir.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Don't do all that goofy ass shit. You must be a rookie, man. You're a goofy ass, man.
Put your feet in for
I
me.
ain't got no problem with it, bro.
All right, I appreciate
You must be a rookie or something, man. Get your goofy ass out of here, man.
All right. Right now, we're just gonna take you to the police department where you're gonna be interviewed by a detective, okay?
Will I be asking the judge tomorrow or nah?
Yeah.
You know what time?
I don't.
When they give me a phone call and
Yeah, when we get there, you'll get the phone calls.
I appreciate it, man.
Hang on, I gotta take the seatbelt off of you.
Sorry, y'all. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Stuck?
Yeah.
All right, take a couple steps forward.
Why'd you do that? So bend
So try to.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait. Go. Wait. No. I ain't work like that.
He got himself stuck trying to slip his cuffs in the front of the
I
gun.
go on there. Take the shit off me, man.
Bro, you're going like that.
It's no. How did you do this?
Take the shit off me, man.
We can't take it off.
I'm gonna be sitting here. It's gonna be a fucking sitter. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna make your day a hard day like mine is. Y'all lucky y'all coming with that shit. Well, I'm never cross it.
Stand up. You can't get to us. Please sit down right here.
I got it. You got it,
Take
son.
one of them off.
I got 2 sets of cuffs on me.
Yeah, grab the other one, remember?
Dude, if you get stupid, man, you're gonna end up getting hurt.
Man, if I get stupid, your mama gonna get hurt. What's wrong with you, man? You lucky you caught me.
All right.
Just front cuffing.
Yeah, I ain't on no goofy ass shit, man. Wow.
Upstairs.
So you know this room's video and audio recording.
You slide your shoes off for now.
Alright, so take my shit off. Take them off.
Alright, sit down, take them off.
No, take the shit off.
Slide the shoes off. Just slide.
Stop. Nobody's trying to get you actually, man.
No,
What is it you
I talk to you, big dog. Get the f out of my face.
Take the shoes off.
I'm telling you no. I talk to you, please.
What's the problem with the shoes?
Bro, get out of my face, man.
He's not in your
You
face.
guys check the shoes? Okay, you gotta take the shoes off.
I'm gonna talk to
We
him.
have to check your shoes
I'm
before.
gonna talk to him.
Then talk to me. I'm right here.
I'm gonna catch another charge
Look
with
at
you,
me.
bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock your ass straight out, bro.
Look at me.
I
I'm right
promise
here.
you I am.
I am right here.
Whatever, side.
I have to check your shoes.
I let you take
Okay.
my shit.
All right, have a seat, bro. Okay.
I should knock your ass out.
No? Why you shouldn't have?
That's not the guy on the street you're talking. That's a totally different guy. The other guy is still up there.
Randy was arrested for possession with intent to deliver controlled substance, unlawful possession of a weapon, armed habitual criminal, and resisting arrest. He was cited for driving while his license was suspended or revoked, an uninsured vehicle, and improper lane usage. He was given no bond. Detective Lawrence interviewed Randy, and he took ownership of the cocaine, guns, and ammo. Each bag of cocaine tested positive. There was a total of 6 bags that altogether contained 361 grams of cocaine. There was $3,100 of cash placed into the evidence locker, along with 241 rounds of handgun ammunition for 3 different handguns, plus 18 rifle rounds, plus 7 Glock magazines and a high-capacity drum magazine for an AR-15. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.